are bad.
Just that the PC's like, oh, they downloaded too much RAM, and now it's shit. Fuck off, is that my PC spec did? But my face does slightly look off color right now, but this probably is actually off color. It's probably the wrong color. Wouldn't surprise me in the slightest. I don't have any shimmer on. My face is wet. There's no shimmer on my face. I swear to God, I haven't even applied any shimmery products. But my camera is picking up all the liquid on my face and making it look like shimmer. But there's no shimmer on my face. I swear, I haven't put any shimmery products on yet. Just my face is moist. Just moist. That's literally the effect of my ring light right there. Yeah, I've never been under so much scrutiny before because my camera has never been as good as it has been today. And I can't believe how shiny my face is. My face is dry, man. I'm gonna like be powdering it forever. Okay, so not thumbs up, hands up. Who thought that this was gonna turn out fucking awful and is pleasantly surprised? Thanks, Mifflin. My eyes look so happy. I feel like a Barbie. I legitimately look like a fucking Barbie. I felt so bad though when I was like in the middle of doing it and so many people had negative things to say like, you're so beautiful, but now you look so horrible. This is nasty. That shit is nasty. And I'm like, trust the process, man. Trust it.